Hi, I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio, located in downtown Phoenix, where you can have fun and learn how to make your own jewelry. And today I'm going to talk to you about silver jewelry cleaning substitutes. I've got some items here, most of which you can find in your home, that are alternatives to other cleaners you can use for silver. One of which is dish soap. I've got some warm water, baking soda. I like to mix the three of those together and scrub my dirty silver with a toothbrush. You need to be careful when using baking soda because it is a bit abrasive. So if you have any stones in your silver jewelry, you need to just keep in mind that baking soda could potentially scratch them. So if you have any opals or pearls, just keep that in mind and maybe leave out the baking soda. I also have toothpaste, which is also a bit abrasive, so keep the pearls and opals in mind if you're going to use this. And I've got a polishing cloth, which is great for just getting out any oxidation that can accumulate over time in your silver jewelry. So what I'm going to do is take my toothbrush and a bit of toothpaste and just take it on this ring that's a bit dirty to brighten it up, loosen up any dirt or lotion that's accumulated over the years on here. And I want to make sure to dunk it in some clean water. There we go, and I always like to dry it off. Thanks for watching Silver Jewelry Cleaner Substitutes. I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio, and for more information on me or the studio, you can visit my bio. Thank you.